when I was young, I tried to explore Sumatra. At the end, we just Tarutung. Because the problem is so many things happen at that time. I don't know if you remember Etski BP.
Yeah.
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 At that time, that was what. So I got to move all around.
Oh. 200 how many?
224, same
20.
model, same size, and then added by 16 in the highest square. So
Uh-huh.
if you calculate them, 240.
Okay. These pillars, right? I didn't understand. What are 240?
Yeah, 240. This complex only.
Ah, okay.
This complex only.
Oh.
Because 16 temples in the highest square. Look at the wall over there.
Uh-huh.
Consists with 16 temples. The one that I told you,
Hmm.
same model but different size.
Hmm.
And then surrounded by 224 temples, same model, same size, like this
Hmm.
one. The small one, but we just finished 6 of them. So it means we still have 218 to go.
218 to go. And they were like destroyed in the earthquake?
1006. In
Earthquakes?
1006, yeah. In
Earthquake?
yeah, but it's not just earthquake because in 1006 looks like, just imagine like what happening in Pompeii.
Huh.
So that why they call it in inscription in Sanskrit as Mahapralaya.
Mahapralaya.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You understand, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The great destruction.
Yeah, great destruction, exactly.
Great destruction. Yeah.
Great destruction.
Sorry?
Can I take a picture?
No, maybe later.
Maybe. Oh, mau di kamar? Nanti Bapak waktu kita keluar ke sini lagi.
Keluarnya lewat sana,
Oh, it's
nanti harus
different.
balik lagi
Okay,
ke
it's
sini.
different.
Ah.
And Merapi, about the same distance. From
Huh.
here, 26 kilometers.
Huh.
From Borobudur, 27 kilometers.
What is 26 kilometers away?
Merapi volcano.
Merapi volcano. Okay.
So look at it. I just want to remind you that
Uh-huh.
240 supposed to be like that one.
Okay,
So
okay.
every square shape is the foundation of the temple.
So before the earthquake, they were 240, and now we are making it again.
Yeah, make it again, but we just finished 22.
22.
This is the box of stone
Okay.
during the excavation inside.
okay.
Sheet of land as it.
So is the construction going on right now?
Yeah, but we're spending more time looking for the matching stone.
Oh.
Than just rebuild the temple. Because
Okay.
imagine when every 3 meters we have a building, and when the tectonic earthquake hit the temple, like a domino effect. The stone
Yeah.
has mixed
Everything
together.
will. If one falls, everything
Oh,
falls.
yeah.
Prambanan. I still don't get the meaning of Prambanan.
The prime world, the chosen.
Prime world.
Prime world.
Yeah, chosen place by the God, chosen place by the nature.
Which language is it?
Sanskrit,
Sanskrit. Prambanan. Okay.
Prambhuana.
Prambhana.
Buana
Prambhu.
means world.
Okay. Okay. These are the.
Yeah, look at this. So every single stone have a click of interlocking system.
Right.
But the thing is, sometimes look frustrating when we break open some pile of rocks.
Uh-huh.
At the end, only two trial and error contraction, the stone matching. The rest belong to some other temple. What a job, right?
Yeah.
Because we have to find the accurate and the precise one.
Because in archaeology, you have to use the same material to build it.
Yeah.
Yeah. You cannot use something else.
Yeah, but there is a permitted to use about 30%.
30%.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because considering that it's more than 1,000 years.
Yeah. You cannot find the same 100% match.
Yeah, and according to Dutch archaeologists' data, the Dutch military also using some stone to build their bridges, houses, foundation of the street.
Right. Because they're so strong, right?
Yeah, look at how precise they are.
Yeah.
So basically, one stone cannot be connected to another one. It's only the matching one. And look at the
Yeah.
joint, the clip, the dovetail system to make it stronger.
Okay. So they fix something here so that they don't,
Exactly, but
disconnect.
it's stone, yeah.
Yeah.
So this one is going to be built like that.
Same
Yeah,
model,
like that.
same
Yeah.
size.
Yeah.
And look at the repeating pattern. Every round shape have the cornerstone like lateral, but little bit higher, letter Z. Another one. We just talking about 3 cornerstone, and there are hundreds of cornerstone. We just talking about what we can see. Just pick up one inside stone. For example, like this. Letter Z, another one, and line right there. So how
Yeah.
complicated it is. From
True.
1,200 years ago,
Yeah.
how smart they are.
Yeah.
sometimes it's very good topic to discuss that how come 856 we done this complex, because 856 about 7th-8th century, also the glorious time of Hinduism in India. How come the transformation of technology,
Technology came from
philosophy
there. Yeah.
so quick? There is no internet.
Yeah. Plus travel also takes a lot of
Travel,
time.
exactly.
You cannot take a flight and just boom.
Exactly.
Right.
So there is a very good discussion, because sometimes exactly the influences from India, but
Yeah.
how come it's so fast?
Yeah.
But I mean, we are not sure. Maybe they just whisper and then the wind.
They can only be theories, right?
Yeah.
When the first time I think the Indian came is like 600, 700.
Yeah, but
With
cannot
the
be so
trade.
quick, because when they come, they cannot build right away.
Yeah, and then this will build during the 7th, 800s.
No, yeah,
Yeah.
because at least 400 years, right?
Yeah.
To build this such kind of building like this.
Mm-hmm.
We just compare with what we're doing. We just compare with some building they doing in some other places.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it shows how well management they are, because they have to. I'm sure they have a special lady to manage the food.
Yeah, exactly.
Otherwise, they cannot work without food, right?
Yeah.
I just want to remind you that, like in Borobudur, every single stone, the replacement stone, pin with a black nail to recognize, and we cannot make new carving on it.
Oh. Okay.
So this is the replacement, because you
Replacement.
can't find the original
Yeah.
stone.
Otherwise, destroyed in smaller pieces.
Okay.
And if you get curious, maybe you didn't find the answer in Borobudur,
Mhm.
you got to understand that they have to build the temple first,
Yeah.
and gonna be another team releasing the building from scaffolding, start carving from the top till the bottom. Because we always found the fact that the carving at the bottom not finished yet.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah. So they
And-
start from the top,
Okay.
going down the
Yeah.
building.
Let me show you the real proof about it.
Yeah.
Kindly come right here.
So you're saying they start building from the
From
top,
the
not
top,
from the
Yes,
bottom.
Yes.
Yeah, I mean the carving.
The carving, okay, yeah.
So this is the real example.
Mm-hmm.
It's different color,
Hmm.
but the artist cannot substitute, cannot replace this one. Otherwise, they have to break open everything. So it's
Okay.
already done. So they just make a carving.
Yeah, yeah.
You got it right?
I don't think so, no.
Different color.
Different color, okay.
Come on, you
Ah.
can replace it right away.
Yeah.
But you are not included into the team that building the temples. So you job just do finishing and carving.
Okay, that's all your job is.
Yeah.
Somebody else is building it.
Like a
somebody.
contractor, another
Yeah,
contractor.
yeah.
Yeah. It's based on the legend.
Yeah,
Remember
yeah,
that they
yeah.
believe 1,000 temples. Spirit who have the prince thinking the morning has broken.
Oh.
So finally never finish.
So are you saying they built it all in one
In
night?
one night.
One night.
That's not possible.
I mean, this is a
That's
legend.
the myth, the legend. You
The
know?
legend.
That's the story.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
legend.
Yeah. So that people
In-
believe that
in
there's something
English-
godly.
In English, myth
Myth.
is
Yeah.
not a legend.
Yeah.
Myth it's a story that they really believe it,
Yeah. Yeah.
and other people also have to believe.
Yeah.
But
Mm.
the legend kind of like local story.
Mm, mm.
This is nice. I would just airdrop everything you can see.
Yep. So that's why upside down lotus.
Yeah, it's called Alamaka, which means Linga Ratna Padma
Okay.
in Sanskrit.
Uh-huh.
It was written also in Vastu Sastra and Kayu Sastra. The
Mhm.
Manastra, you know that. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
The guideline how to build the temple.
Yeah, which way is the door? Should the door be
Exactly.
entry, exit, everything
Exactly.
Vastu, yeah.
It's Vastu Sastra,
Yeah.
Kayu Sastra. It was described over there, but it's very difficult to find. And
Hmm.
finally, you find it when Lingam, Ratna,
Hmm.
Padma became
Hmm.
one.
Oh.
That's the concept.
So this is like up. Oh, okay. This shows.
Alamaka. It's called
Yeah, this
Alamaka.
shows the ling. This shows the yoni, right?
Yeah.
Ah.
Yoni and of course Padma, because Padma considering chosen flower, the
Huh.
roots on the ground,
Huh.
the plants in the water, and the flower in the air.
Oh.
At least 3 elements of natural power.
Ah.
Got it? Remember the
The lotus.
Hinduism
Yeah.
program in the school a long time ago.
Hmm. Hmm.
Because some young generation like you already forgetting.
Yeah, yeah. True, true.
Yeah, look at the three main temples.
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Ah.
They dedicated to Brahma, Swayambhu, the creator of the
Swayambhu,
universe.
yeah.
Shiva,
Ah.
the destroyer but also rebuilder. Vishnu, protector.
Okay. Nice.
Nice, right? I mean the configuration. And it's gonna remind you with 3 Mahameru.
Mahameru. Okay.
Yeah, 3 Mahameru. And
Yeah.
then when you take a look from that gate,
Mm-hmm.
just when we get in,
Mhm.
you're gonna see Panch Mahameru, 5 peaks of Himalaya.
Oh, Panch Mahameru. Yeah.
Because this temple, in line,
Mm-hmm.
when you see from that side, it's
Uh-huh.
gonna be in line.
Ah.
So what you're gonna see, just 5 peaks.
Just 5 pics.
Just like the concept of Mahameru from Kathmandu.
Kathmandu, yeah.
Yeah. And long time ago, Nepal, Kathmandu belonged to
Yeah.
the Empire of India.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Let me just remind you with Kinara Kinari,
Kinara, Kinari. Okay.
the angels.
Mm-hmm.
They describe like chicken, but it's a bird. It's mankind.
Maybe a bird that does not exist anymore.
No, it's just a regular bird. Look at this. So bird's body, man head, and then Kalpataru, wishing tree.
Kalpataru, yeah.
This is what I'm talking about. Panch Mahameru.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
3 Mahameru.
3 Mahameru. Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
And do you realize that every temple have to put it?
Have to?
Have to put this ornament?
Yeah.
Because every single temple in Hinduism and Buddhism actually is the replica of Himalaya.
Oh.
So,
yeah.
starting
Built-
from-
it is built like a Himalaya, like this.
No, they have to put this ornament. Doesn't mean the structure is supposed to be like that.
Uh-huh.
But they have to put this icon
Okay.
to
Okay.
remind you that no matter how small or how big are the temple,
Mhm.
but they did put this when you pray, you're
Okay.
staying at the highest peak on earth. Closest one to
Nice.
the God. So,
And which is this animal? Like this animal?
lion,
Lion.
that
As a sing, yeah, as a protector.
oh no, power.
Power, yeah.
Something that's gonna make you smile.
Yeah. Like the country's name, right? Singapore.
Yeah, Singapore.
Is it like named after the Singapore?
Yeah. Because
Because yeah.
do you know the difference?
The what?
The difference with the previous lion.
Okay.
It's gonna make you smile. Exactly.
Yeah, I think something. I see something
Yeah.
there. Yeah.
every
Ling,
single
right?
every single lion must be in the position of erection.
Oh.
Power.
Okay, so like he's like
Exactly.
as masculine as he can be.
Exactly. The
Ah.
strongest animal when they get hungry,
Ah.
when they ready for sex.
So yeah, these two.
Legitimation.
Yeah. Two situations, when he's the hungriest and when he's the horniest.
Exactly. Just like the joke story about England soccer jersey team when they make one lion and the journalist complain, come on, elephant stronger than
Come on,
lion.
yeah.
Hold on a second. They go to the backstage, come back with 3 lions,
Oh,
hoping that 3 lions will stronger than
an elephant?
11. Ready to get in?
Yeah, sure.
And I just want to remind you, that's also written in Vastu Sastra, but never been founded in other places, only in Central Java.
Hmm.
Can you believe that? Can you imagine that? It's like a right pattern, just like the brand of beverage Coca-Cola. Because only in Central Java we found a square, a round shape, Padma upside down.
Padma, yeah.
And it was written in Vastu Sastra. This is the good foundation, the good shape of the base of the temple, but they never make it.
Yeah.
Only in Central Java.
Yeah. That's strange.
It's strange.
Technology coming from a place and it's gone from there.
Exactly.
And it exists everywhere
Exactly.
else.
Plastik
Even
itu
we
buat
don't-
jilbab itu loh biasanya.
Even we don't know about all this.
Yeah, the source.
Nobody teaches us. It's
Yeah.
not on our books. It's like broken
No, in
by
your
all the
book.
dynasties.
In your book, in Vastu Sastra.
It is there, but nobody.
Yeah,
There is
nobody,
nobody available.
Yeah.
If you go on finding that book in the city, you won't find it.
Exactly.
So it's only in our histories and stories.
We're gonna talk about it.
Okay.
President
Yeah.
Sukarno.
Sukarno, yeah. After which the airport is also named.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Soekarno-Hatta.
Hatta
And
Sukarno
Hatta is the
Hatta.
vice president.
Okay.
So it's Sukarno Hatta.
Sukarno Hatta. First president of Indonesia, is it? Okay.
Gantian yang Yuk masuk aja yuk, masuk aja terus muter, masuk terus muter.
Plus is better
Biar
than the
gantian,
eyes,
yang lainnya juga bisa masuk. Kalau berhenti di tengah macet. Don't get surprised when you take a picture. Looks like illuminate the light. You can try, right?
Yeah, exactly. That's what I was showing her. We can see it's dark, but in camera it's like.
Yeah, it's like illuminate the light.
Yeah. Let's get the story first.
Yeah, this is the highest god in Hinduism. Can you see that? 4 arms, 3
Yep.
eyes,
Yep.
middle of his forehead,
Yeah.
a giant skull head on the crescent moon, cobra,
Cobra, yeah.
the face of the tiger,
Yep.
trident, rosary, collection of hair, like in everywhere,
Yeah.
standing on the lotus flower. Take a look from the back, you're gonna realize it's broken into many pieces. Yoni,
Yoni.
clear
Okay.
enough, right? Samudra Mantana.
Samudra Manthan, yeah.
Yeah, and then it's broken into many pieces.
Oh,
But the entire
it's been
thing-
joined after
Yeah,
later. Yeah.
Exactly, and the entire thing is lingam.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Entire thing is lingam.
Yep, you're right. And 16 meters height,
Ah.
and only this room has well decoration
Ah.
and any kind of
Carvings.
mandala.
Mandal, okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
only this room has well carving.
Ah.
Because
And
there
how
is-
was it broken? How was it broken? Like during the earthquake?
Yeah, because when it was rediscovered, you have seen the first picture in 1733,
Ah.
everything collapsed. So
Yeah.
it's mean 1006
Ah.
Mahapralaya. So
Mahapralaya.
Hinduism and Buddhism, they forced to move to East Java.
Oh, from India to.
No, from Central Java to
So
East
Central
Java.
Java to East Java. Okay. We're in Java right now, right?
We are in Central Java,
Okay, we're in Java, yeah.
and the East Java is Surabaya.
Surabaya, okay.
Next to Bali.
Yes. Surabaya, right?
You want to take a picture?
Yeah, sure.